afternoon, everybody. Here to rinse out some more tie-dyes. First up, we got the bullseye. Having to rinse in the afternoon due to some scheduling conflicts that occurred, but that's okay. I mean, it's really just us spraying water on a shirt anyways, right? Still pretty bright out here, just not as bright as we would like it to be. To the inside?
The inside. Do you know if the washer's free?
Yep, I read it. Had to make sure we were ready to go. Getting it unbandaged. This is our rainbow single-sided bullseye, or is this a rainbow traditional bullseye?
It's a regular bullseye.
Yeah, traditional bullseye with a little scrunchie on the bottom, if I remember correctly. Little poof on the bottom. Lots of great colors in there. This is the one that looked like the popsicle, remember?
Yep.
We've got a little tip all the way out. Looks like a, look at that. Oh yeah, that's nice. I like how it just like starts in the middle and poof, pops out like that, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
That's really cool. Let me see the other side. Oh yeah, that's nice, babe. Don't you like that?
Yeah.
I think that looks really good.
I'd rather not wash the rainbow one with the red ones, but I mean.
And here's our final result. Check that out. Wow, that came out really good. Look at that nice transition there on the back. Same on the front, how it transitions out from the little dot in the middle all the way out to all the different colors. That looks really, really good. Came out better than we thought it would, actually. I like that. It's got scrunch all the way around all four corners. That's pretty unique too. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and if you're interested in this one or one like it, check out the link in the description below for our store. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.